But the mix of credit is important as well. It's going to add 10% into your credit score, or account for 10% of your credit score. And last but not least, this is very important during the home buying process, but new credit inquiries. We are going to tell you to not, I think, Brandon, you told me this, not use your social security number. Did you tell me that, or somebody else told me? Do not use
Someone else, yeah.
number. Okay. I think it was Carla. Do not use your social security number at all while you are buying a house. If somebody asks you for your social security number other than Brandon, then you need to call Nakia and Brandon, and we need to talk about it. Okay. So I said all that to say that new credit inquiries account for 10%. It's a 10% of the of your credit score. So recent inquiries, past inquiries, and we don't want to see new ones, because in order to secure a mortgage, you're going to need a good credit score. Not if you have your phone out, if you're on your computer, and you can see that QR code. If you scan that QR code, you will get the correct one. If you're on your phone instead of a computer and you can't scan that QR code, text me or email me, and I will make sure that you have the correct one. But also, if you're about to apply for a loan, then Brandon's going to get your credit report for you also. But just annually, when you're not buying a home, just so you know, you can go to that annualcreditreport.com to get your free credit report. Now, how do we improve your credit before buying a home? Like I said, we're going to sit down with you, take a look at your credit with you first. We'll get your, we'll check your credit report, see what's on there, see if we notice any changes that need to be made. Make sure you're paying your bills on time. If you haven't been paying your bills on time, starting to pay them on time will increase your credit score. Again, reducing the credit card debt under that 30% will improve your credit score, and not using your social security number. Do not open any new credit accounts at all. Okay. Now, some people, if you're on the call or if you're watching this later, some people don't even have any credit whatsoever, no credit cards. Well, we need you to get some credit. We need you to use some type of credit. So if your credit score is low and you don't have anything on your credit, and you haven't had any loans, you don't have a car payment, then we are going to ask you to get a secured credit card. Okay. If you're struggling to build credit, or if you need to repair your credit, then sometimes a secured credit card is a helpful tool. But again, only talk to us before you make that decision. A secured credit card is where you will deposit, say $300. We can do this with $300. You deposit $300 into a secured bank account. The credit card issuer issues you a credit card based on your deposit, and that deposit is your credit limit. So as long as you use it, right? So we will have you to stay under that 30%, which is $90 if it's 300, right? Stay under that. So we'll probably have you get some gas, get some groceries, report it to the credit bureaus, then pay it off or pay it down. My secret, pay it all the way down to $10, let $10 sit, report to the next month, then go pay that $10. I got all kind of tricks and secrets when it comes to increasing your credit score. So you work with us hand in hand. We will help you with that.